plenty of food for caterpillars to eat, and they can munch, munch, munch on nutritious leaves. Munch, 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 till every little caterpillar's large enough to begin to do some pretty fancy stuff. Like turn into a chrysalis, an amazing metamorphosis. Into this butterfly so beautiful, I tried to kiss it, but I missed. It was a near miss, but I almost kissed a butterfly. It was a near miss, but I almost kissed a butterfly. It flew out of the sky above, and I gave that butterfly some love. It was a near miss, but I almost kissed a butterfly.